Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bibliometric network like this using VOSviewer software. According to the definition given by the developers on the website, VOSviewer is a software tool for constructing and visualizing bibliometric networks. These networks may, for instance, include journals, researchers, or individual publications, and they can be constructed based on citation, bibliographic coupling, co-citation, or co-authorship relations. VOSviewer also offers text mining functionality that can be used to construct and visualize co-occurrence networks of important terms extracted from a body of scientific literature. Okay, first of all, for download this tool, I go to VOSviewer website, VOSviewer.com. Using the download tab, you can access freely the most recent version of VOSviewer. The instruction is simple and it doesn't need to installation. The only thing I want to mention here is that to run VOSviewer, Java version 8 or higher needs to be installed on your system. Also, to get started with VOSviewer, you may want to take a look at some of the sources of information listed here: videos, VOSviewer manual, book chapter, paper, or booklet. Okay, after running VOSviewer, you see this window. If you have a saved file of a project, you can open it using this option. Otherwise, you need to create your own map. For creating a map, we need to import our data. So let's stop this step here and extract our bibliometric data first. Now suppose that we are interested in green hydrogen topic, for example, and we want to analyze its documents in recent years. In the first step, I search this keywords and scopus database. As you can see, about 6,000 results were found with these keywords when the search done within the article title, abstract, and keywords. Because I'm interested in more recent studies and progress in this field, and also the process of this huge number is time consuming, and I just want to show you the procedure. I filter the results to be in the range of last 2 years, for example. Now you can see that the results decreased to about 2,000 documents. In the next step, select the all and then click on the export. From this menu, you should select the RIS format, and after selecting all information, click on the export. Then wait for this message to be displayed. Now we come over to VOSviewer. In order to do the network visualization, we need to create a new one case. Because we want to create a keyword co-occurrence and co-authorship analysis, choose option of create a map based on the bibliographic data. Then press next. Here, considering that we had already downloaded the database file in the RIS format, choose this option, read data from reference manager files. As you can see, it supports the file types of RIS, EndNote, and RefWorks. Again, next. And now you should browse your RIS format file. I had saved it here in the desktop. Okay, and next. Okay, here in this window you should choose type of analysis. In the co-authorship analysis, the relatedness of items is determined based on the number of co-author documents, and in the co-occurrence analysis, The relatedness of item is determined based on the number of documents in which they occur together. And we want to do co-occurrence analysis. I select this and again next. Here in this window, this tells us that of about 1400 keywords that I found, 1300 were 5 occurrences or more. If you increase the minimum number of occurrences of a keyword, you see that the number of keywords that meet the threshold decreases. It means that it includes a smaller number of keywords. In the next step, you can see and recheck the number of terms to be selected. 400 as it was 400 here. Okay. And in the next step, you can manually exclude some of words if necessary, and then press finish. It's running it. Okay, this is the result. This map shows the communication network of the specified database keywords. By holding the mouse over each keyword, you can see its communication network more clearly. Also, if you take a look at the bottom of the page, this toolbar, you can see its data, the data of each keyword in this communication, in this network. Here in the toolbar there are 3 tabs: network visualization, overlay visualization, and density visualization. The first one gives a network visualization. In the network visualization, items are represented by their label and by default also by a circle. The size of the label and the circle of an item is determined by the weight of that item. It means that the higher the weight of an item, the larger the label and the circle of that. The color of an item here is determined by the cluster to which the item belongs. Lines between items represent links, and by default at most 1000 lines are displayed, representing the 1000 strongest link between the items. Here the overlay visualization is identical to the network visualization, except that the items are colored differently. The colors of the items here are determined by the year the documents were published, where by default the colors range from blue, it means oldest publications, to green and to yellow, that is the newest publications. And the last one is density visualization. In the item density visualization, items are represented by their label in a similar way as in the network visualization. Each point in the item density visualization has a color that indicates the density of item at that point. By default, colors range from blue to green to yellow. The larger the number of items in the neighborhood of a point, and the higher the weight of the neighboring items, the closer the color of the point is to yellow. The other way around, the smaller the number of items in the neighborhood of a point, and the lower the weights of the neighboring items, the closer the color of the point is to blue. Okay, let's work with these toolboxes. Take a look at right side menu here. It's for visualization. The options are simple and you can find out their functionality by try and error. For example, you can change the background color of the map, or edit the cluster colors using this window, or you can have straight or curved lines as you see here, or you can change the colored lines. Also you can increase or decrease the density of lines on the map, and also you can use circle or frames for the labels. And about left hand toolbox, we have already seen the application of create and open options. You can save your file as a project file if you want to edit that later, and also you can save it in a picture format using this option, screenshot. Here in the items tab, you see the clusters of this network. As you can see, there are 3 clusters in this table, and so 3 colors on the map: red, blue and green. VOSviewer software has also search functionality. So for example, we can search for the for example, ammonia keyword, and if you found it in the list, right click and choose this, or double click on that keyword to find its location on the map, as you see here. And you can again increase or decrease the density of lines to have a better visualization about your keyword. Okay. In the analysis tab, you can edit layout, clustering and rotation of the map. These are again simple. If you hold the mouse for a few seconds on the question marks here of each field, it will provide you enough information about these options. Okay, thanks for your attention. You can challenge yourself by applying a similar procedure to a co-authorship analysis for your database. So now it's your turn. Take what you've learned and apply it to your own project. In this video, we explored the co-occurrence analysis on a database using VOSviewer software. I hope it be helpful and gives you an idea for doing bibliometric study using this powerful software. Thanks for watching.